Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have done a couple of these reviews in the past. And, oh yeah, by the way, you know, you guys know the whole thing about my weight loss journey and then the weight I was at my daughter's wedding and how I put on 25 pounds since then. Well, glad to say I'm back. I'm like 5 pounds back to within the weight I was at my daughter's wedding. So that's going on pretty good. I guess all that walking in the morning before work and everything is paying off, which is a bonus. And like I said, when you walk in those mornings before you go to work, it kind of like, it's not really like a stress relief, but it's also like an energy boost because I stopped drinking energy. I'll tell you a story about energy drinks. So about 3 months ago, I would drink 2 or 3 energy drinks a day, the C4s. And so my wife and I, we get back on a Sunday night, and next thing you know, I'm just like, what the hell's going on? We started being dizzy, and I had to hold on the wall so I wouldn't fall over. And it was crazy. I was like, my wife's like, everything okay? I was like, I don't know. I never had this happen before. And, come to find out that I didn't have to go to the doctor or anything like that. So come to find out, it was caused by like my blood pressure dropping. And the doctor said to stop drinking sodas. And so I stopped drinking sodas, didn't change. All right. I had like 2 more episodes. I actually had one during one of the Gentleman Roundtable shows. And then the next one after that, she was like, stop drinking energy drinks. So I haven't drank an energy drink in 3 months. I haven't had another episode. So that's got to be it. But I was actually getting vertigo. I'd never had it before. And I'll tell you, if anybody's had vertigo, it's like the whole room just spins. I mean, I've been drunk a long time ago, but it's like that times 10. It was crazy. So yeah, I thought I was at my life expectancy moment there, and my wife and daughter, I mean, they were going to be doing great, because the life insurance, everything would have kicked in, and they would have been great. But hate to tell them, they got a few more years left of me before they start collecting that. All right, but anyway, let's get back to the review. This is by Funky Brims, and this is another Hales collab. And I'll tell you what, we had both these guys on the Gentleman's Roundtable. We had Chris Lopp from Funky Brims, and we had the whole crew of Hales on there. I was trying to go down to Dallas for their Hard Knocks party that they had going there. I just couldn't make it. The weather here wasn't great that day, and I didn't feel like driving all the way to Dallas in that weather. We were having tornado warnings here in Kansas and Oklahoma, and I would have had to go through both of those to get to Dallas. Even though Dallas is only like 4.5, 5 hours from me, I just didn't feel like chancing it, because that would have not been a fun drive. All right, so let's go ahead and get to it. And I know this, Jenna actually wore this shirt on our Gentleman's Roundtable show. And as soon as I seen it, I was like, holy cow, I got to have that. And I swear, everybody that was watching was like, what flannel is that? What flannel is that? Finally, she didn't even have a name for it. She was like, it's coming soon, whatever it might be. And I mean, I was stoked. But let's go ahead and get into it here and get the wrapping paper. And this one is the HaleFire, HaleFire. Get it, Hale for Hales. And yeah, this is going to be a great one, I think. I got the flat panel cap, I got the pin, got the stuffing. And one thing that the Lopps do is do an amazing job with customer care and like the way they package their items. Never going to stop doing supporting those guys. Oh wow, this pin, let me take this pin out of the plastic here. This pin has got like a holographic type look to it. Oh, it's more glitter. I don't know if you can see that glitter in there or not. That is pretty snazzy. All right, and now we're gonna do the cap. The cap is the HaleFire. I did get a 60 centimeter. And the HaleFire Flannel Cap. Yeah, this is the flat panel. Going to take the stuffing out of this bad boy. And like I said, last time I actually did, I'm not a huge fan of flannel on flannel for caps, but it works so well with the purple one that I have. I'm drawing a blank, the Enigma. And I was like, since that came out good, I'm going to try it again. So I got the flat panel cap in that. You got the 60 centimeter. You got the HaleFire logo in here. So what does it say? This says Funky Brims, HaleFire, Hales Collab. Yeah, that is the thing. That is the cap. Get this out of the way. And here is the shirt. Man, This thing is gonna be nice. I can't wait to try this on. And this thing sold out pretty quickly. So take this out here, put this in here. Comes with a little sticker on here. It's got like a holographic type sticker on it. Kind of bent a little bit, but anyway, how many people actually collect these stickers? I'm just curious. I got a big box full of them in my closet. I personally, I guess they don't collect them, but I don't know what to do with them. But yeah, that is, oh man, that's gonna look sharp together. That is gonna look good. And like I said, this is the HaleFire. It's got the Hales logo in the back. It's got the Hales on the pocket. And I think there's one on the sleeve, I think it is. Nope, just not. All right. All right, so we're gonna go show a close-up of this, and then we're gonna try them on. Here's a close-up of the HaleFire flannel with the shirt or with the cap. Man, those are so bright. Those look great. And you guys know me, I'm a bright color person. Here's the tags. And I did put the pin on the cap as well. I'm hoping this is not too much. So if it isn't, this may be my favorite collab yet are the Enigma and the Shelby that I do have. But yeah, that's great. I like the bright colors. HaleFire, all HaleFire. All right, let's go ahead and try it on.
Did you hear that sound? Sounds like a chainsaw. What the heck is going on? Cheese and crackers, yikes! Oh man, you won't believe this. Watch this. Who did do it? Chainsaw time,
Welcome to the shit show, boys. It's time for a bearded scallywags and gentlemen's round table collab. Let's get this party started right.
Yikes!
So I have the HaleFire on, the flannel. I really do dig it. And but one thing about these collabs is that they sell out instant. I mean, they're like within seconds. I mean, the caps may stay on there for about another 30 minutes or so after the drop, but those go just as fast. But the flannels itself are just gone. I mean, you got to be like quick fingers. You got to be like quick draw McGraw and get on that website and get it. But you know, I do have a backup just in case if Funky Brims sells out that fast. I got clutch and throttle that I go to for any of the for my secondary. But usually I just jump on it. I mean, I have missed out on quite a few of them, but you know, in the future, hopefully I figure this whole technique out to where I'll be able to get most of the drops. All right, so let's go ahead and get it. Here's a picture of that the sticker that came with the flannel, the HaleFire, and here is the cap. As you can see here, that pin on there. I didn't put the pin on there. I probably won't wear the pin when I actually wear it, just because I mean, I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's go ahead and try this on. Of course, you got the brim there. It has little specks of orange in it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Now the only bummer about this outfit or about this collab is that it's already going to be in the 90s here in Wichita, and I may have to wait until next year when it starts getting cooler again to wear this. Let me go and stand up, show you what it looks like on. And here's the whole kit and caboodle. Yeah, I mean, this is great. And like I said, I got 3 of the collabs so far. That's the only ones I've been lucky on. Hopefully I got the whole thing figured out, like I said, about how to get these when they drop. And but yeah, this is it. And this is a great collab. I love the colors. And when Jenna wore it on the show, I knew I just had to have it. And I as soon as that show was over, I messaged Chris. I was like, "When is this dropping? I got to get on it." And he was like, "Yeah," he gave me the date, and I was just like, "Okay." So I was waiting for him to get the little live show on Thursday, and it was just I got lucky. I just got lucky. This is great. How bright are those guys? That looks sick. Fantastic. Out of all the collabs, this is by far my favorite. Like I said, the Enigma one was the first time I ever did plaid on plaid, but this actually works as well. Man, I dig it. Let me know what you guys think about the plaid on plaid. In this situation, I think it looks great. There is some where I'm just like, yeah, I just can't think it's a little too much plaid, but this one here definitely fits the part. Yeah, this looks good. And I'm definitely going to be coming out to Dallas. Next time I'm in Dallas, I'll definitely stop by the store there and speak to those guys. They were great on the Gentleman's Roundtable. Same thing with Chris. I see Chris a little bit more often, just because I do have to travel to work in Tulsa quite a bit. I'll be there next month, and or this month, sorry, middle of this month. But yeah, this is it. This is it. Out of all the collabs, this is by far my favorite. As a combo here, I'm going to go and give it a grade. I'm going to say this is about a 4.7, 4.8, which is by far the highest of any of the collabs I've given so far. But yeah, that is snazzy. Snazzy. All right, let me know what you guys think on this. Reviews and Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody next time.